Welcome to the series all about counting. Episode number 4B. Examples on permutation with never together concept. Now the problem is, in how many ways can we arrange 4 boys and 3 girls in a row for a photograph such that no 2 girls are together? So in this problem, first we will arrange the 4 boys B1, B2, B3 and B4 like this. Now the given condition is we don't want the girls together. No 2 girls should be together, means in between the 2 girls there must be at least 1 boy. For that purpose, we will here mark the positions in between the boys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we place the 3 girls at any of these 5 positions, then our condition will be fulfilled. So we have marked these 5 positions here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At these 5 positions, we are going to arrange 3 girls. This can be done in 5P3 ways. So first, these 4 boys are arranged. These boys can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Next, in between the 4 boys, there are 5 places available for 3 girls as shown in the diagram. These 3 girls can be arranged at these 5 places in 5P3 ways. Therefore, the number of such arrangements equal to 4 factorial multiplied by 5P3. 4 factorial product of 1 to 4 integers, it is 24. By applying the formula of 5P3, we get here 5 factorial upon 2 factorial. By doing the cancellations and all, finally we will get the answer 1440. Here are some similar questions given for you to try. Question number 1. How many words can be formed by using the letters of the word answer such that the vowels are never together? So in this word answer, there are 2 vowels A and E and 4 consonants. So just like the previous problem, first you can arrange the consonants and in between the consonants you can find the places for the vowels. Question number 2. How many words can be formed by using the letters of the word equation such that no 2 consonants are together? In this word equation, there are 3 consonants Q, T and N. And there are 5 vowels. As we don't want the consonants together, first we will arrange the vowels, 5 vowels, and in between the 5 vowels, we can search the places for 3 consonants. Question number 3. In how many ways a family of 4 people, parents and their 2 children, can be arranged in a row for a photograph such that the parents are never together? So as we don't want the parents together, first we will arrange the 2 children. In between the 2 children, there will be 3 places available for the parents. Using this much hint, try to get the answers of these questions.